I am Sheikh Khaja Mohiddin. I have completed my Bipc course in Vijayawada. I have given NEET entrance exam but couldn't clear it with better rank. So I felt like even if I have given another attempt, I couldn't secure better rank to continue my medicine course. So I decided to choose another professional course like CMA. Medicine takes approximately 5 years to complete plus 2 years of post graduation course, and I need to practice. It all takes approximately 10 years to complete my medicine. So I have decided another short course, that is CMA professional course. This may take 4 years to complete. Unlike medicine, it does not depend upon rank. CMA just includes pass percentage. There is a subject called accounts which is difficult and totally contrasting from Bipc. I felt while joining it may be difficult for me to study that subject, but by continuous practice I have overcome that subject and it is very easy to secure nice marks. There is no need to pay donations like MPC and Bipc courses in CMA courses. Not even MSc students but also Bipc as well as MPC students can clear CMA course in a very first attempt. Thank you.